Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm not sure what's in here, but it was sent by Caleb. Thank you very much, Caleb. Can't wait to check out what's in here. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in this package here. I think that's probably not, it's not necessarily the best place to cut it, but that's where we're going to cut it. Let's see here. There's a note. Fantastic. I love notes. And what do we have here? Something that is in a wee pouch. Whatever this is, if I'm able to link it, there will be a link right down in the description for your convenience. It does support the channel when you use my link, so I'd appreciate that. But that is entirely up to you. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, boy. Hey, MC, sorry for the lousy handwriting. It's typed. It's typed. This is the Reate EXO. I saw it on Blade HQ and thought it was really interesting and decided to pick it up because of how you always talk up Reate's Fit and Finish, other makers' production runs. Thanks for all the content. Give it the great work. Caleb. So, not a Wii knife. It's a Reate knife. I am just so excited. So excited to check this out. Okay. Hold on. I gotta figure out how this works here. Oh, God. That really is kind of dangerous. Oh, cool. So this is a gravity knife by Reate. We have titanium, micarta. Literally, there's a pivot right here, so there's nothing locking it into place here. It's just, it moves freely, right? And then it pivots back here, and the blade is ready to fall, like you can see, as it's closed right here. Or the blade is being held into place as it's closed. The moment that I open that up, it releases it. That's really cool, but it's also really dangerous. Look at this. It's ground on both sides. So this is a bayonet grind that is actually sharp on both sides, which you can do with this design because of what it is. Yeah, this is absolutely one of the coolest things that I have. This is just right off the bat. This is one of the most interesting things that I have handled in 2021. This is also something that I am 100% certain that over a very short period of time is much more likely to accidentally cut yourself with. It's just ridiculous. So if you're wondering, there is a little bit of play, even in the closed position, and even squeezing it as hard as I can. Yeah, a little bit. And I think that's probably nature of the beast, similar to how a lot of OTFs work. But gosh, the sound that it makes. Oh my goodness. How cool. So can you get this knife right now? No. This knife was ridiculously popular. Super, like it flew off the shelves. I hope that they make more. I'm confused how we actually have this. I'm confused as far as like how Reate actually managed to get it here. But yeah, even if you're going to hunt this down, just understand you're going to be working with potentially 3 different knife laws. Number 1, this is a big knife. Got to check legal blade length in your area. Here in Kansas, we can carry this. Number 2, this is a gravity knife.
Well, actually, I don't know if it actually, the law, the gravity knife law actually applies to that.
This is a gravity knife. Don't give me that. This is a gravity knife. Number 3, you have sharp edge on both sides.
Well, actually, I don't know if it's really the dagger law because it's not the same length of both.
This is a double ground blade. I promise you, that's not going to be super great in some areas. So I don't make laws. What I'm saying is if you're going to go after this, just understand, this. I'm not saying I agree with the laws. I'm just saying you guys got to be careful with this stuff, right? It is really cool but I just want to be clear, right? This channel is just about information. So this is the type of information I want to make sure that people have. Where can you get it? I mean, I don't know. It was listed on Blade HQ for a little bit and various other retailer sites. I hope more come back. I can't wait to talk about this. This is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. I definitely need to spend some time with this thing before I'm able to review it. But I will, and there will be a comprehensive review on this. I will link the original listings for this thing down in the description so you can go and check it out, price and specs and all that stuff. 3 to 4 weeks down the road, you will definitely get a full review. Thanks again to Caleb for sending this in for review. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.